This video is going to introduce and cover Objective 3, which is prepare the cash flow from used for investing activities section of the statement of cash flows. The great news is this is going to be straightforward. The rest of the cash flow statement will be straightforward. In the previous section, in the operating activities section, it was a lot more because we were backing into our number. The rest of it, very straightforward. So we look on our balance sheet and we see that land went down. And if we look at our land account, we can see we sold some land for cash and we purchased some land for cash. So it's straightforward. If we sold land, we got cash. If we purchased land, we spent cash. So when we sold it, cash is going to go up by $72,000 in the investing section. And then if we purchased land, we spent money, so cash is going to go down by $15,000. The net of that together is what we're going to report on our cash flow statement. So cash went up by 72, cash went down by 15, and the net of that would be shown on our statement of cash flows. Okay, our building account increased by $60,000, and that was made up of, and we can see that we purchased a building for $60,000 cash. We also see some depreciation for the year, accumulated depreciation, but we don't put the accumulated depreciation to building. So we're able to look at the building account and see what changed by that. This depreciation will go in the operating section where we'll just remove it. So for this section, we're looking at the $60,000 that we spent. So there it is. We used that money, $60,000. Here's an example exercise for you to pause and practice and then check it down here, and then we'll keep going.